from Bobby Adventures. I'm here. I was wondering if you can let me record some roll in your
beautiful store.
Coffee.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you. So,
Intro. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Hector Boya here from Bobby Adventures. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're new to my channel, I do adventures, anything that comes with fun, traveling, photography, a little bit of that. I am a photographer though, for weddings and quinceañeras and Sweet 16, but that's for my other channel. So today's video, it's gonna be fun because I am in a tea bar shop. I don't know, it is really nice. The tea, it's really good, delicious. And today I'll be showing you how I work my V-roll with my CTE phone, which is pretty cool, and my zhiyum smooth Q, something like that. Yeah, so it is a pretty cool gimbal for cell phones, which I use it with my CTE all the time. And well, on my CTE phone, once you unlock it and once you go to the settings, you go there and it has maybe right here the mode. Then you can select the slow motion and you can start recording in slow motion already. So once it's saved, it is in slow motion, so it is pretty cool. It has a really good quality image on video and pictures. I love it. I use it a lot for my slow motion and my regular video. Obviously, yes, to use the B-roll app thing from the phone, it has to be from the rear camera only. It's pretty cool. And the gimbal, the zhiyum smooth Q, it is pretty cool. It is for cell phones. You can use the GoPros and action cameras also, with the little extension to mount the action camera here. And it's amazing. Once you know how to work it, it's pretty cool. It has a lot of details, a lot of ways to work. Well, today I'm not gonna be showing you the ways to work, like exactly how to work it out, but I will be showing you how smooth it comes your video shooting from your cell phone. Using your cell phone, your CTE in slow motion mode with the gimbal, it's amazing. So I'll leave you here with this video, these shots of the place, the tea shop, tea bar, I don't know, whatever you want to call it or they call it. It is pretty cool. Here we go.